Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back at the garage here, Brzezicki Brothers Performance. Hope you hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can stay tuned to what we got going on. So I've been busy putting together the suspension, all Maxim Motorsports, and we're gonna get a little sneak peek of the progress I made over the weekend. So here we have it. I've been piecing together Maxim Motorsports suspension over time. And we got the lower control arms all put together. Spindles on. Dust shields on. And I went, as you could see, in the upper hole, because I'm going to be lowered, and I got K-member spacers. So to have the right geometry, you'll probably want to go in the upper hole if you're running some combo like this. Coilovers are looking pretty nice. We got the K-member brace on. Got the K-member brace on right there. Guess it helps space it out for the long tubes. Bolted up. Soon we're going to be test fitting the Brembos to see what they look like. You can see the K-member brace from down here. Little brace. Stiffening and help with bottoming out. Underneath's looking pretty good. Same as those Brembos. They're looking pretty good themselves. This side's all together. You got the washer that they give you to use. The front Torx bit bolt. Reuse some of the bolts here for the struts. Alright, this is what it's looking like. Coyote swap Fox body. Think we might call it White Fang. So let me take you here some work. Trying to lose some weight. My brother did some work. A little more airflow, a little lightness to the front end. I think it's from Motion Raceworks. Tubular front bumper support for the s197. It's a 13. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, 1,000 horsepower car right here. Right, there's the old bumper support he took off. Had to draw some spot welds. Little sneak peek of the race car we built. So there you have it. Hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, keep on watching it. Plenty more to come. Plenty more videos. Hopefully I get better with it. But we're going to get back to it here. Get some more work done. Till next time, folks. Peace out.